Hello friends, let us see new video in which we are dealing with the loan amount and the interest paid by a person. So how we will come to know what will be the amount, interest, what will be the installment. You might have heard about the loan taken by one of your friends from the bank. So how it works, that all we can see in this sum. So a man has borrowed rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with the total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installment. So many thing it is saying, we have to be very careful. Man borrowed only 8,000, but he is paying interest also of rupees 1,360, and he will be paying in total 12 installment. So what they have given you about the installment, each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40, means he will start with the bigger amount and it will keep on reducing it. Find the amount of first and the last installment. So let us see solution. So first we'll write down what is given to us. In the given we have S12. Why I wrote S12? Because the total is 12 installment. And what will be the total amount in 12 installment the man will pay? He will pay interest as well as the principal amount. So we will add them and we will get 9,360. So S12 we have got 9,360. We have n equals to 12 as you see, and then d equals to minus 40, because he had said that the man will pay installment, each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40, less than. So the difference is, common difference is minus 40. So what they want to find out, A, that is first term question mark, and the last one is 12th term, that means 12th installment. So let us begin. Let us see the first question, that is first term, what it will be. So we will going to use Sn formula. Why? Because we know that S12 is the value of S12. So that we will going to substitute 9,360 equals to 12 upon 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 into minus 40. I had put bracket there to separate two signs. Clear? As you know, S12 is 9,360, n is 12. So in the formula Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we have substituted the value of S12, n, a and d. Let us go for simplification. So our next step will be 9,360 equals to 12 upon 2 into 2a plus, you will see that 12 minus 1 will become 11, but plus 11 into minus 40 will give you minus 440. So therefore, let us go for the next part. We need to cancel this fraction. So 2 one time and 2 6 time. So we have 6 into 2a minus 440. I can move 6 from right side to the left side, but you know that 6 into 2a minus 440 it is. So what is the opposite of into? Division. So when the 6 will move from right side to the left side, it will go there and divide it. So let us see, 9,000 360 divided by 6 equals to 2a minus 450. When I further simplify 6 one time and the numerator when I divide by 6, 6 one time 6, 3 will remain 33, 6 5s are 30, then 3 will remain, it will become 36 and 6 6 are 36, 0 time for 0. So I got in the numerator as 1560, 1560. When I further simplify, I get 1560 and 440 which was on the right side which subtracted with the variable term is transferred to the left side. The sign of 440 which is minus become plus. So 1560 plus 440 equals to 2a. When I simplify, what I'll get? A equals to 2000 upon 2. From where I got 2000, the left side 1560 when I add it to 440, I get 2000. And as you know, 2 into A, so when it is transferred on the other side of equal sign, automatically into becomes division. So that's why we got A equals to 2000 upon 2. When I further simplify, 2 one time and 2 1000 time. Therefore, what I get? A equals to rupees 1000. What is A indicating? First installment. So we will have first installment will be rupees 1000. Now let us go for the next one. So now we have to find out T12. So let us see the solution. We have got Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, T12 equals to, now we got the value of A. So 1000 plus 12 minus 1, the D value will remain same into minus 40. When I further simplify, T12 will be equals to 1000 plus 11 into minus 40. 12 minus 1 will give you 11. When we will go further, 1000 minus 440 plus 11 into minus 40 will give you minus 440. So when I further simplify, I get 12. T12 equals to 560. So we have calculated T1 also and T12 also. I need to write down the formula, the answer, sorry. The 12th installment will be 560. As you have seen, the first installment is 1000 and the 12th installment is 560. So the final answer you should write like this. First installment is rupees 1000 and the 12th installment is rupees 560. I hope it is clear. You have understood the concept. Please share this video with your friends.